Japjit, welcome. Firstly, how are high-performing companies leveraging AI?
Yeah, we feel high-performing companies are not just deploying AI, they're actually integrating it as part of the core strategic and operational foundation of the company. And now with the advent of GenAI, which we think is a game changer, it's fundamentally pushing companies to rethink how they've structured operations and processes around it. But three or four things stand out for me. One, identifying what's your core strategic and competitive advantage and truly indexing on that. Second, focusing and ruthlessly prioritizing around use cases at what we call our golden use cases to go after and letting go of everything else. Third, making strategic and conscious choice around whether you build the AI in-house or you leverage from existing solutions and how do you integrate with your offerings. And lastly, most importantly, how do you bring the human element along with it? How do you train your organization and employees to keep up and not become obsolete?
How should companies be leveraging GenAI to get competitive value?
Look, so GenAI can fundamentally do three things, right? You can create content and ideas, you can improve efficiencies of the organization, and you can personalize the experiences for your customers and your employees. I think we did a recent publication where we identified how do our best clients, convert the magic of GenAI into business impact. And what stood out for us is like the first is a basic, widespread, more diffuse deployment of GenAI. You'll get more moderate, 10 to 15% efficiencies across the enterprise. Then thinking about fundamentally reshaping the organizational processes using GenAI and your core competitive advantage. And lastly, inventing new use cases, new offerings, services, and even new business models to use GenAI and your core source of competitive differentiation to create something magical for the customers.
Japjit, where are you seeing companies use AI to create new revenue streams?
Georgie, we think it's the go-to-market space that we see most amount of impact coming in. I think data and AI and now GenAI is allowing unprecedented use of first-party and third-party data sets to truly bring the science to the art of selling. We're seeing clients be more predictive, preemptive, and proactive in how they shape the customer journeys, starting from acquisition to upsell, cross-sell, pricing, consumption, driving better churn management. The art of the possible is truly a new benchmark.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Georgie.